What up, folks? I am Ultrazilla, and today I have a speed build of the Bandai Pokemon Plamo number 14 Zekrom. I'm here with Ultrazilla Jr. today.
Yay!
And I actually picked this up for him because recently during HLJ's holiday sale, they had a lot of these Plamos, Pokemon Plamos.
What's Plamos?
Plastic model, shortened as Plamo. They had a lot of these kits for sale, and this was like, I don't know, $6, $7, something like that. So I sat there with Ultrazilla Jr., we looked through, and we chose this one. I didn't want to get too many because I already had Rayquaza in my private warehouse, which is the newest kit. I haven't done that one yet, but we figured we start out with this one. It's a little bit of a smaller one, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So let's give it an open, see what we got inside. We got runners. I think there's 4 runners, some stickers. It looks like all the plastic is done in this. That's a foot. Yeah, that's a foot. In this kind of dark gray plastic. I don't think it's black. I think it's gray. And there's a little bit of white here. And then we got the directions. Let's see what those look like.
Why does it look gray there? Because the light.
Nope. So I think this kit is kind of static, except for there is a gimmick to this one. So we will check it out at the end here. But yeah, there you go. That's the directions. Without any further ado, let's get to the speed build. A couple of quick things here. I don't know. Just because I found it funny. But, you know, anybody that's done these kits probably knows already. The little numbers here are in little
Pikachus.
You're right, little Pikachu heads. And also, I didn't realize this. I knew this was an older kit. Came out in 2010. But apparently, it must have been reissued last year. Because I did find a 2020. This says 2010 made in Japan. And there you go. 2020 Pokemon. Huh, how about that? Just a little tidbit. I didn't want to forget about it, so I just told you now. we're done.
Yes.
It's a cute little figure.
Yeah, it's little. And that took so long. That's little.
I don't think it took that long.
Nine.
I'm not 100% sure how long it took us, but I don't think it took that long.
I feel like it took long.
That's because you want to go play video games.
No. I actually feel long.
But it looks pretty decent. Do a review of this in Better Life if you want to see the gimmick. You might have seen it during the speed build. You move his wings back and his arms and his mouth opens like that. So we'll go over it in more detail in the review. But for now, hope you enjoyed this little Plamo speed build of Pokemon Zekrom.
Zekrom.